To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below. Oh, hello, I didn't even see you there. I have an important job for you. I am Detective Shaylee, and I need some special detectives because I have a problem. I have lost all of the letters in our town, and now nobody can read and nobody can write. Do you think that you can help me solve these mysteries and find all the letters of the alphabet with me? You can? Okay, let's get started. As we go through our adventures, you get to follow along on your own map. So on your map page, as we talk about each of these letters, you get to color them in. And then eventually there are times where you can earn your mastery glasses. So our mastery glasses page looks like this. Now, this has some things that you have to be able to do before you can color them in. So for this first mystery glass, you have to be able to recognize and write the letter names and sounds for the letters M, A, T, S, and P. Okay, so as we go through, you will talk to a parent and they will see what you know so that you can earn your mastery glasses. All right, before we get started in our first detective's office, you need a couple of things. So I have a checklist here so you can get all of the supplies ready before we get started. You are going to need your mystery map. You are going to need your mastery glasses page. You are going to need a pencil and an eraser. You are going to need some crayons or colored pencils. And then you're going to need your growth mindset page. The first thing that we are going to learn about in our detective's office is we are going to talk about a growth mindset. Have you ever heard the word growth mindset? When we are learning new things, sometimes it can be really hard. I want you to think about a time that you learned something new. Maybe you learned how to ride a bike. Maybe you learned how to ride a scooter. Or maybe you learned a new game with your mom and dad. And when you were learning those things, was it easy in the beginning? No, it wasn't, right? Learning new things can be very hard. So what I mean by a growth mindset means that our brain is getting bigger and learning lots of things. And sometimes when we can't do something the first time, we think, oh, I can't do it and I'll never be able to do it. But if we can shift our thought to, guess what? I am learning something new and it's going to be hard, but if I work really hard, I will learn that thing. All right, so we had talked about what a growth mindset is. Now, I want you to draw yourself. You can pause the video while you draw. Go ahead and get started. Now, we are going to draw what we think it's going to look like when we're learning letters. So you can keep this playing or you can go ahead and pause it now and you can draw yourself learning letters. All right, this is a picture of me learning letters. And I have a big smile on my face because I love to learn new things. Now, there are times that you might get frustrated when you are learning your letters. So if for some reason you do get frustrated, I want you to talk to an adult about what you're going to do when you get frustrated, and you're going to draw a picture. Now, some things that help me when I'm frustrated is sometimes I'll get my hand and I count to 5 as I draw lines up and down my fingers, and I take big deep breaths in and deep breaths out. Sometimes I have to tell myself, I have to retell myself the I can do hard things, I can work hard, I believe in myself, mistakes mean I am learning. And sometimes that can help too. So I want you to talk to an adult. Go ahead and pause the video and tell them what you're going to do if you get frustrated. And then I want you to draw me a picture of what that looks like. All right, I drew a picture of what I will do. I'm going to take big belly breaths if I feel overwhelmed. I'm going to draw lines on my fingers with my other finger while I breathe. Or maybe I'm going to go and snuggle my dog because I have the cutest dog ever. So that is what I'm going to do. What are you going to do? That sounds like great ideas. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we are gonna go back to our map because it says color in number 1 on your detective office. We've already completed one lesson. Let's go all the way back over here. And we are going to color in, choose any color you want. And I am going to choose blue because I love blue. And I'm gonna come down here to my detective's office and I'm gonna color in number 1. Can you go ahead and color in number 1? To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.